So you want to do all the good habits, but somehow you haven't made any kind of progress. You want to start working on it, you want to start reading books, you want to work on your business, you want to start that side hustle, you want to start your YouTube channel, you want to meditate, you want to journal. You know all of that. You start doing it and you become consistent for a short period of time. And but after that you become complacent. You remove all those good habits and replace those with the bad habits. Now what happens? Your progress is diluted. The amount of progress you have made in short amount of time that you have done the good habits is removed. There is no progress. Now what you can do here is you can either start the good habits right now or just wait. Oh, maybe let the month end, then I can start my good habits again. Like seriously, I am so pissed off at people who tell that, oh, let it be the 1st of the month, let it be the 15th of the month, let it be the 10th of the month. It's not like that, bro. You can start today, you can start tomorrow, you can start right now. And Monk Mode is a protocol developed by Iman Ghazi. If you know him, he is one of the greatest YouTubers in the male improvement space, and he has made a really good video on this Monk Mode. If you want to check that video out, I'll link that down in the description. But in this video, I'll be going over my Monk Mode schedule that I have made recently that I'll be following for about 3 fucking months. So let's get started with, why do you even need a Monk Mode? Like, why is it even necessary? You can do all the good things, right? No. The thing is, if you're someone who has made progress but became complacent or like couldn't do the right habits because of some kind of reasons, or maybe we can call them excuses. So if you're someone like that, or second, you want to do the right habits for a long period of time, then this Monk Mode thing is for you. It is a protocol, it is a tool that will help you develop intense focus without focusing on anything else. So here are the 4-step principle that you can use to create your own Monk Mode protocol, and that I have created on my own, and I will be sharing with you on the screen by the end of this video, and I'll be listing down the steps as of right now. So the step 1 is pick a duration. It is the most important thing, like in the video, Iman Ghazi told that you need to pick a duration that is short. You can't do it for a whole fucking year. Like it is going to be really intense. That's why you need to pick a duration. You can do it multiple times in a year. If you are someone who is highly disciplined, you can do it for the whole year. But pick a duration. As of right now, Iman Ghazi really recommends you to go from 3 weeks to 3 months. Pick a time duration between this, and now we can come to the step 2. The step 2 is picking your non-negotiables. Non-negotiables are the things that you will do every fucking day, no matter what happens. You can't give any kind of excuse, and these activities needs to be the kind of activities that you tell yourself, no, I don't want to do this, this is hard, this is going to be hard, I will not make any kind of progress with these activities. And these are the kind of activities that you should be including in your non-negotiables. My 3 non-negotiables are 1 hour of workout and 10 minutes of meditation, and writing for 30 minutes. Like writing online, anywhere, Medium, Twitter, Instagram, doesn't matter. So they're the three non-negotiables of mine. You can also make your own non-negotiables. Now let's come to the step 3. Here we come with 3 or 4 negotiables. These are the things that you aim to do every fucking day. But even if you miss a day or 2 here and there, it doesn't matter. It would be not like that intense. You can either choose to do that too much intensely, but negotiables are something that you don't need. Like even if you miss a day or 2, it doesn't matter. Pick any kind of activities that are like that. Now, if you have chosen your non-negotiables and negotiables, let's go to the step 4. That is the final step, and it is one of the most important steps of this Monk Mode protocol. Choose your output. Your output is something that you produce. Like for example, this YouTube video, this is my output. I'm not counting by the number of subscribers or by the number of followers or by the number of likes this video is getting. I am focusing on the number of outputs that I can produce in this Monk Mode protocol. So my output is kind of really intense. So I will list it down in the video, but before that I need to speak with you that I am creating content on multiple platforms. It's not that I'm limited to YouTube. I'm creating content on LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube and Medium. These are the 5 platforms that I'm currently creating content on, and that's why these are my outputs. So let me tell you, 7 threads a week, 7 LinkedIn posts a week, and 3 Instagram posts, and 3 YouTube videos, and 7 Medium articles a week. This is my output. This is my output protocol. So it is a 4-step process that you can easily implement and make your own monk mode protocol. The step 1 is decide a time frame. The step 2 is to decide 3 non-negotiables, the things that you will do every fucking day no matter what. And the step 3 is to decide on negotiables. There are the 3 or 4 things that you can miss a day here and there. You can be a bit lenient with them. So now step number 4 is decide on an output challenge. Your output doesn't need to be as intense as me, but you can choose an output that fits your requirement, fits your goals. So that's it for today's video. And if you like this video, subscribe to us, because here we help young men become the best version of themselves.